As we leave behind the gas and ice giants, one final marvel awaits us. The moons of Neptune, a diverse and mysterious collection of natural satellites, each telling a story of violent collisions, cosmic captures, and the outer reaches of planetary evolution. Neptune's moon system is unlike any other. Some moons, particularly the inner regular ones, orbit within or near Neptune's ring system. These moons, such as Naiad, Thalassa, and Despina, act as shepherds, maintaining the structure of the rings through gravitational influence. Their orbits are near-circular and equatorial, suggesting they formed with the planet. But further out lie the irregular moons, and these are where the story becomes stranger. Unlike the regular moons, these objects follow highly elliptical and often tilted or even retrograde orbits. Some move in the same direction as Neptune's rotation, prograde, while others move in the opposite direction, retrograde. These characteristics suggest that Neptune captured these moons long after the planet formed. They likely began life as independent objects, asteroids or Kuiper belt objects, that were pulled into Neptune's gravity well and trapped. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, is the crown jewel of this collection. It's the only large moon in the solar system with a retrograde orbit, and its surface is a wonderland of nitrogen ice, geysers, and frozen plains. Triton's orbit and composition suggest it was once a dwarf planet, possibly from the Kuiper belt, before being captured by Neptune's immense gravity. This capture would have been cataclysmic. Triton's arrival may have disrupted Neptune's original moon system, causing previous moons to crash into one another or be ejected entirely. What remains today is a restructured system, new moons, reshaped orbits, and gravitational scars. Then there are the true outliers. The outermost moons of Neptune, such as Neso and Psamathe, have orbits so large and slow that it takes them over 25 Earth years to complete a single revolution around Neptune. Their vast distances and loosely bound paths make them some of the most extreme natural satellites ever discovered. Neptune's moon system is a living museum of the solar system's chaotic past. Collisions, captures, and cosmic migration have left their marks on these icy bodies. Each crater tells of a journey, each orbit a memory of ancient events. While we await a dedicated mission to Neptune, perhaps one that could orbit for years and even land on Triton, our understanding remains based on brief flybys and distant glimpses. Yet what we know is enough to stir awe. And so we end our journey through the outer solar system, not with silence, but with the whisper of moons moving through the dark. Neptune's companions remind us that even at the edge of the sun's influence, the cosmos is never still. At Infinity Beyond, we believe every moon, every orbit, and every crater is part of the grand cosmic story. Thank you for exploring the giants with us. And stay tuned, because the universe always has more to reveal.